Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to turn on profile views on TikTok. So first of all we have to open the TikTok. After that we have to click on the profile. After that here we have to click on the three lines. If you click on three lines then you have to click on settings and privacy. After that here you have to click on privacy. After you click on privacy and you scroll down, then here you can find the option of profile views history. If you click on that, then it will be turned on. After that, if you click on, then they will show you who visits your TikTok profile and tell the detail who has recently visited your TikTok profile. As you can see, they are showing me who visits my TikTok profile. If you turn on profile views, then it enables you to see who visits your TikTok profile. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.